guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I am back with another makeup challenge video. I am doing the random numbers pick my eyeshadow challenge once again. So you all really enjoyed my first one, but I told you all I wanted to use a more colorful palette, and a lot of you asked me to use a more colorful palette too. I had a lot of fun doing the challenge, and guess what came the other day? My Morphe 25L Pride palette. So I will be using this palette in my makeup challenge video. So anyway, I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video, you guys. Bye. Okay, so let me show you all the palettes. If you all have not seen it, I did a video on this palette before, yesterday actually. I did a video comparing this palette to the James Charles palette, so make sure you all check out that video. So this is the palette. I will be numbering it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 25 colors, and I will be writing these numbers down on a piece of paper, numbering it 1 through 25, putting it in a bag, shaking it up, and those 3 numbers will pick my eyeshadow. So anyway, let's get into this video. You guys, I'm super excited that this palette has a mirror, because I told you all in my last video I used the Take Me to Brazil palette. So I'm super happy, but let me start numbering now. Get my handy dandy notebook. 1, 2. Okay, so now I'm gonna tear these pieces up. I'm so excited, you guys. This is such a beautiful palette. I love this palette, you guys. I really liked my last random makeup number look. It was super cool, but most of the colors were like very neutral and stuff. I had like a dark green. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette, so make sure you all check out that video if you haven't. But this one should be really interesting. I don't really do colorful looks that often, so this will be fun. Okay guys, so I have all of the numbers right here. Oh, let me not, this is the same thing that happened last time. Let me not drop them. I'm gonna put them in this little Walmart bag. Shake it up. The moment of truth. Okay. So, the first color that I will pick, well, the first number I'll pick is, what is this? I think this is a good one. I have number 16. This is 16. 16 is the first one. So I'm not gonna look at what color that corresponds to just yet, but the first one is 16, you guys. Let's shake it up again. Okay, so the second number will be 20. We have 20, you guys. 16 and 20. And last but not least will be what number is this? 19. They're all so close again. You all see I did it fairly. I shook it up each time. Maybe I shook it up too much. So you have 16, 20, and 19. So let's see what these numbers are. So here's the palette. Here's the palette. So that's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16 is healing. This beautiful gold color. That is a beautiful color. 16. Healing. Let me show you all really closely. That is a beautiful gold color. 16. Ooh, this is gonna be a shimmer look. 17, 18. So 19. Ugh, I don't like that one. Ugh. No, I do like 19. So 19 is peace. 19 is peace. Is a blue shimmer. This looks like a Little Mermaid look. I'm gonna do this again, you guys. And the last one is Gilbert, which is a purple look color. Hope you all can see it. It's actually really pretty. So all 3 of these are shimmer. I had to think this through. I really had to think this through. Healing, Peace, and Gilbert. So, okay, guys. So I'm kind of feeling, I already primed my eyes using the Juvia's Place concealer. So I'm kind of feeling, ooh, I don't know. What am I feeling? So I'm going to be using I'm stuck, you guys. I'm totally stuck. How about we put a little healing up top above my crease? Let's put a little healing up top, you guys. This is gonna be like a mermaid look, really. That's what I see this being. You know what? Since this is a shimmer, to make it show a little more, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it a little bit with my setting spray, my brush. So it looks like I just have like a really bomb highlighter on. Really, that's what it looks like with just healing on. So now I'm going to go ahead and add Peace to my crease. Peace to the crease, that makes sense to me, perfect sense. Ooh, Peace is very pigmented, you guys. This looks like a Cleopatra look, baby. I told you all, we are looking very mermaid-like over here. I feel like my gold is getting lost. I'm gonna have to add that a little somewhere else just to bring out that gold a little more. But I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Let's do a cut crease today. Okay, so I cut my crease. So I'm just gonna pack Gilbert, this purplish color on here. It looks way better than what you all think. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it looks really pretty. I think it's gonna be pretty. If I would have put this color in my crease and chose the blue color on my lid, that probably would have been better. But I am just not feeling Gilbert at all. Like, it looks so, ugh. Let me bring Peace over here. We need you, Peace. We need Peace. And I feel like this gold color has gotten extremely lost in the sauce. Like, you can't even find it in this look anymore. Let me add it again. Let's go back in. Healing is being a little shy, you guys. Healing is a little shy. But that's okay. Healing is shy. And so is Gilbert. I just don't even know what to do at this point. But you know what would be maybe cute? Let's add the blue shade to my under eye. That may be cute. Ooh. I am giving myself Ursula vibes, you guys. Ooh, it looks kind of cute now. Maybe that's what it was missing. But I'm giving myself Ursula vibes, not even mermaid. Okay, this is a little something. It looks like a little something. But I do still feel like healing is missing. So because I feel like healing is missing, and like I said, healing looks a lot like Trophy Wife, why don't I add a little Trophy Wife to this? Let's see. Okay, guys, so I'm going to add Trophy Wife to my brow bone. Ooh, my Trophy Wife broke. It broke, you guys, so that sucks. I will fix it later. But yeah. Healing looks exactly like Trophy Wife. That is crazy. Well, nose Trophy Wife. Well. Okay, so let's go add some lashes. First, let me add my mascara. Yes, I use Great Lash. I think it is fantastic. I don't care. I love Great Lash. I really do. So these are just some AliExpress lashes. I will be wearing these today. Let's see. if they can bring this look a little more together. Let's add a little bottom mascara to this look. Okay, I'm going to line my lips. Okay, and because I said I was serving Ursula Little Mermaid today, it's only right I use my Ariel ColourPop lipstick from the Disney collection. I wish I had Ursula, but I will be using the Disney lipstick today only because I'm serving you guys mermaid looks today. Okay guys, so of course, just because of the person I am, I want to add a little lip gloss to my lipstick because I just love glossy lips. Ooh, this is kind of cute, you guys. Okay. I will be right back, you guys. You stay right there, okay? Okay guys, so I'm starting to feel this look just a little bit. But of course I had to come through with a blue shirt because I was giving you all mermaid vibes, or at least I gave myself mermaid vibes. But I was a little mean to Gilbert before, and I think Gilbert really got the job done. Gilbert definitely came through the dark purple shade. But anyway, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.